Hi everyone, it's SparklingChar and welcome back to my channel. Coming in to do Inspire to Create, which is hosted by Donna Powered by Creativity and myself, SparklingChar. And we come in on every Tuesday and Thursday and we show you what inspiration we got, to craft and what we made. So I did give a sneak peek on Tuesday when I did my collage challenge thing. And I actually finished up what I was doing, which was the mini albums. But I want to say that it's so funny because these albums here I made for my daughters a couple of years ago. Yeah, it was a couple of years ago. And I wanted them to, put their photos in here. And it's so funny because here, this is like a zine that I had made, one of them when they were really little. And I forgot how cute this zine is. It's so cute. And you just flip through the pages and you see I went in and I don't see no pictures in here, no journaling, no nothing that they done did. I don't know. I tried. Anyway. And this was the other one. This one had like a few pictures in it. Really cute. Yeah. I really like this. This is so sweet. And then they have something to look back on or whatever. Yeah, it's not. Hopefully they'll put something in here. So, um, I decided to make 4x4 mini album, and these are the things I use, like some stickers that I had in my stash. These come from Michael's. So stuff like from Dollar Tree, flowers, of course, words. Uh, I forget who this is. You guys know who this is. I can't say it. I don't want to mess it up. Is it Anna Griffin or Maggie Holmes? One of them. A whole lot of little different little stuff that I was using to put in the book. So let me show you the first one. And I sort of put too many pictures in here, but look like I'm gonna have to be the one to put the pictures in, right? So I bring this down some so you can see. Last time I tried bringing it down, I almost broke it. Okay, so this is one of my twin daughters, Lenise, and she loves doing the selfie stuff. So I said, do it for the gram, put a high heel shoe there, and flowers and all that stuff. And then you open it up, and you got the little flip out. It flips so many pictures. Oh, it goes this way. So she was just recently at a ball at her school. So this one says, dress to impress. And you flip it open and she's with some friends, and I put let's party. Then she's here with some more group of friends, and it say unity and love. This is one of my favorite pictures. And then I'm trying to see which way I'm gonna go. Oh, flip it over, and then that one say hello love. And then I flip up. Here's another picture where I use the word happy. Then here she's at a skating ring with some of her college friends, and this one is saying be happy. So cute, right? So, sorry about the background noise. I tell you every time I do a video. And then here's one where she took at her birthday party. Yes, it's blue hair. I know, right? Here's another one that says cute and so much fun. Another selfie. Here's another one that says can't touch this snap queen. And I just used a lot of ephemera. That photo there looked like she's saying whatever. And then this is a picture of her and her twin sister, which I put the words twin together forever. They have no selfie control. Then we open it up. Well, we'll pull that out. And here she's at school. It say be your own kind of beautiful. Another picture I love. This is another one I like. She took a selfie on Snap. And this one say one of a kind. And then we're going to flip it. And then she had like, they had a pop-up shop store at their school. So she was one of the businesses there. So I just put professional shopper, and then they say Fifth Avenue and undergoing retail therapy. So she did pretty good. And then this one at the back saying my life. Yeah, so that's all the photos in this one. And then on the we can go in any kind of way. You know what? You can also use it like this. It can like stand up like that. So it's cute. And then of course I put the words here like moments. And then this one says, "Hey girl." And this is a quick and easy mini album. And I'll link it in the description box what tutorial I follow because I watched so many to see, trying to make it as easy as possible. And then this is the next one, and it says big dreams. And this is my other twin daughter, and this is her saying to me all the time, "YOLO." She always like, "Mom, you only live once," and I was so happy to have that in my stash, YOLO. And I got to get more pictures from her. And then this one, I thought this was cute, a cute little selfie. Say later, call me, peace out. And then she got the princess. Let me think. Oh yeah, I got one here that say hey. So she needs to give me more pictures. This is her and her boyfriend. It say you and me. That's cute. And then we turn here, and that's just a picture of him. And it say Bay forever. So I hope they like these little books. And her say another picture of her that say, "Oh hey there." And then here's another one of her saying whatever. And then just what she do, whatever, just laugh about it. She never lets nothing get her down. And then this is a picture of them together. Selfie mode, BFF forever, twins together forever. And then you open it up and then you see another one where she's at a party and she's saying grateful. Very beautiful. And then we take that out and then it says smile right here. I still need about, I think, 6 more pictures from her. Let's see, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, I probably need about 6 more pictures from her. 4, 5, 6, yeah. And then on this side it says my story. So you can also put a picture back here if you like. Yeah, so I thought these little books came out too darn cute. They are so cute. And yeah, so that's what I was inspired to create. Thank you all for stopping by, and I will see you guys in the next video. And try doing this. It'll be nice. It doesn't matter what age your kids are. Mine are getting ready to graduate from college, so I'm really, really excited. Well, one is well, the graduation is coming up in a couple of months. One's already got her degree. The other one will be getting hers in May. So I'm super, super excited. Proud mom over here. So again, thank you guys for stopping by, and remember to always sparkle. Bye for now.